Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, welcome back to some practical Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。哇，现在天气都很好啊，对不对？然后就是夏天，一定要好好出去玩。但是我一个人这样子很 lonely，
所以要找伴哦。
对，要不要一起去？
穷哈希嘛。
对，就是教这一句。我们这个月就是要教大家怎么说。Oi kyong ha himo. That means let's go out together because the weather is great. It's summertime. We should all go out together. Oi kyong ha himo. Alright, 那今天呢，我们继续呢教大家怎么去接受一个人的邀请。OK， 来，如果很开心去接受的话，可能会说 Yeah, let's go, let's do it. I can't wait. OK， 等不及怎么说？等菜 OK 等不及了等菜哦 Alright and then maybe you just want to say Alright count me in 尤其呢是可能一群朋友在邀约的时候对不对可能要去出外旅游啦到山上啦去吃饭啦可能会说算我一份对 count me in Alright how do you say that
算我一份
算我一份这样听起来好像算来一份
算我一份啊
蒜头来一份Sounds like garlics but it's not it means count me in alright I'm part of this now and then finally 我们常常呢说没问题no problem alright let's do it no problem 没问题怎么说
没问题
okay this is a very common phrase for anything it doesn't have to be going out it could be about doing something no problem okay 没问题
海陆腔没问题没问题
okay that's a different dialect of saying no problem那我们就干脆把它拉长一点啦，把这个没问题呢，再拉成就说没问题，我哪一天都可以，因为我真的好有空哦，真的需要人家约我出去啊，快点！
吃饱闲在那里等人。
对，真的。Okay, let's expand this and teach you how to say no problem any day. Okay, 没问题，我哪一天都可以。
冇問題。
冇問題。
捱哪日都做得。
That means any day I really could go out, all right? No problem. All right, let's review these phrases or vocabulary. 等不及 I can't wait. 等菜 and then count me in, 算我一份. 算我一份 and then no problem, 没問題. 沒問題 again, that's no problem. All right, so it's all about accepting someone's invitation and we're teaching you how to ask, do you want to go out together? 要不要一起去怎麼說
愛窮下希望
冇問題
Okay
See, now I know how to answer and you do too. That does for today's practical Hakka.
什麼大家
安子 say 張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.